Dysfunctional vet. I'm in the process of putting a screen. This is a number 80, I believe, screen on. I'm using stainless pop rivets, and to help cinch it down so I can get this thing on a little better, I'm using wire ties, and I'm also using a friction wrench, this friction wrench right here, so I can pull tension. I'm drilling a hole. These are 1/8 inch pop rivets right here, 1/8, and then I'm using a pneumatic gun to seal these up, and generally speaking it's going well. Something I realized, I've got a sag right here in this run, and as a result of that, it kept this from being absolutely perfect. You can see I have a few buckles here, and I'm going to have to support here. This is supported there, but I'm going to have to support it here in order to keep this bow from creating another problem like what you see. Dysfunctional vet out.